So as we're talking about manufacturing processes, a company has reached out to us asking us for help with their assembly line. The company Build to Skate is having a problem with the balancing in their assembly line, and they've asked us to take a look at their problem to see if we can come up with a solution. So here's our scenario. The company needs to increase their busy time, their production, and their utilization at each station in their assembly line. Your job is going to be to develop the best assembly line solution for the company by modifying the process that they've provided, which is illustrated on the right here. Through this project, we're going to follow the engineering design cycle, or the design process, where communication is found in each step along the way. Through the simulation provided, you guys are going to do some modifying and altering, maybe adding more people into the process or shifting processes around to make sure that everyone is busy. There's no bottlenecking, there's no idle time. So through this, we have to, in our groups, identify what the problem is in the current assembly line process. Then you, as your group, will research the problem to see what solutions are out there, or what previous companies have done to increase their production times or increase their utilization at each station in their assembly line. Then each individual person is going to develop possible solutions for the assembly line, what changes could be made to it, and how you're going to implement it. Then as a group, you're going to come back together, talk about your solutions that you've come up with independently, and use those to select the best solution for this company. And using the simulation that's provided, we're going to work on constructing a prototype for them so that we can send them models of an assembly line that they can then put into place in their company. After we construct our prototype, we have to be able to test and evaluate to make sure that their production time is better, they're producing more skateboards, and after that initial test and evaluation stage, you'll go back through, redesign, you'll have opportunities to look at other students and groups' ideas on changing the assembly line. And through all this, we have to be able to compare the utilization times that were given in the initial one, and we have to be able to calculate and evaluate the utilizations of your now modified assembly line. You'll need to be able to calculate the percent change between the initial and your modification, and excuse me, and conduct a cost analysis for anything that you've made changes to, maybe hiring more people or changing around the floor plan of the assembly line. So all these things are going to come into play with this scenario that Build to Skate has given to us. So begin your identifying the problem stage, and we'll meet back up later